Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Swami. Today I am going to throw some light on notice writing. In this video, the following points will be discussed about notice. First of all, we will try to understand what notice writing is all about. Then we will discuss the purpose and some value points to remember while writing a notice. After that, I'll tell you the contents of the notice in detail, format of the notice, marking scheme and sample notice to make it clear. So without wasting even a single minute, let's learn how to write a notice. I'm going to tell you the definition of notice. What is a notice? A notice is a small sheet of paper giving written or printed information. It is placed in public place or on a notice board. It is a short, formal piece of writing. It is meant to announce meetings or events, to make appeals, to give invitation or to issue a warning, etc. Sometimes it is used to spread some kind of awareness among the people. The purpose of a notice. The notice is written to provide information about an event, function, celebration, extend invitation, issue a warning, spread general awareness, etc. Some value points, or you can say key points that must be kept in mind while writing a notice. First of all, write the name of the issuing authority, institution, association, or society on the top. Means you will have to write the name of the issuing authority, institution, association, organization on the top of the message. The second one is write the word notice below the name of the institution or organization. Third, give the date of issuing the notice. Fourth one is give a suitable catchy title or heading. Fifth, convey the message clearly in the body of the notice. Sixth value point is day, date, time, place, program in case of an event must be mentioned. Seventh, signature, name with designation of the issuing authority must be mentioned at the end. Eighth point, in case the notice is about an event, give details of the schedule. Ninth, do not exceed the limit of 50 words. And the last but not least, put the notice in a box. So these 10 value points must be kept in mind while writing any notice. Let's try to understand about the format of a notice. A box must be made where we are going to write the notice. In that box, in the top middle portion, this is the top middle portion, the name of the organization, institution issuing the notice must be mentioned or written in capital letters. Then write below it the word notice needs to be written. As you can see, notice, NOTICE, in capital letters must be written here. Then in the left hand side, write the date of the notice. After that, below the word notice, in the middle side, write the title or heading of the notice. As you can see here heading or subject should be written in capital letters. Then you will have to write the contents of the notice in this space. As you can see, write the contents of the notice in this space. And after the contents of the body, signature, name and designation must be written in this space. And at last, as I have already told you, put the notice in a box. Let's understand what should be there in the body of a notice. Content of the notice. If you try to answer these 5 W's, then you will not face any problem while writing a notice. First one, what? What is the notice about? The notice should clearly mention what is going to happen. The second is who. Who is addressed to? It is crystal clear. The third, where. Where is the event? Means if the notice is for an event, then the location of such an event should be clearly mentioned. Fourth one is when. When is the event going to be happened? This one is all about the time and date of the event. The last, whom. Whom to contact means in this we should write who the appropriate authority is to contact to. I'm going to tell you something about marking scheme of the notice. The format should include issuing authority, name of the institution, the word notice, heading, date and writer's name with designation. 1 mark, content 2 marks, expression 1 mark. So the total marks for the notice is 4. Now I am going to take a sample notice so that you can learn more clearly. As Abhishek Swami, the Secretary of the Literary Society of ABC School, Kurukshetra, draft a notice for the school notice board inviting students of class 9 to 12th for a declamation contest to be held in your school. Now first of all, you have to draw a rectangular box in which we will write our notice. Is it clear? Then you have to write name of the organization. As you can see, ABC School Kurukshetra. After that, you have to write a word notice just below the name of organization, and it should be written in capital letters. Then we will write the date on the left side. As you can see, May 3, 2020. Then we will write the title of the notice, as we have already written declamation context. It should be in capital letters. After that, we will write the main part, that is body. As we have already written, the Literary Society is going to organize our declamation contest on 14th of May at 12 noon in the school auditorium. The topic is cleanliness is next to godliness. Interested students from classes 9th to 12th should register their names with their class teachers latest by 10th of May. For details, contact. Here you can see clearly that we have mentioned all the points, and at last we have to mention signature, name and designation. So this was all about the notice. Thank you so much for watching the video.